My name is Roland Livingston. I am an organization development consultant and educator, and I have spent more than 20 years working in human resource management before becoming an organizational development consultant. I understand the challenges that HR managers have in making the transition from simply administering policies related to people in organizations. The workshop on managing disruptive and challenging change that you will be attending will help you to gain insight into how HR managers in India can use organization development and change to enhance what they do to guide managers and leaders in the effective use of human capital in these turbulent times. I look forward to seeing you in the workshop.